Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is the magic of cinnamon. 7 days to a healthier you. Cinnamon is not only a delightful spice used in cooking and baking, but it also possesses numerous health benefits that can transform your well-being within just 1 week. This video will delve into the magic of cinnamon and explore its potential to enhance your overall health. Boosting metabolism. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your metabolism. Cinnamon contains compounds that help stimulate your metabolism, which can aid in weight management and boost your energy levels. By adding cinnamon to your meals or beverages, you can support your body's natural ability to burn calories more efficiently. Regulating blood sugar. One of the remarkable properties of cinnamon is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Research has shown that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood glucose levels, and promote a balanced blood sugar response. These effects are particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes, as cinnamon can assist in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can alleviate symptoms of inflammation-related conditions such as arthritis. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, thereby promoting joint health and potentially easing discomfort. Regular consumption of cinnamon may contribute to a reduction in inflammation throughout your body. Enhancing brain function. Cinnamon has been associated with cognitive benefits and improved brain function. Studies suggest that cinnamon may enhance memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance. The aroma of cinnamon has even been found to increase alertness and improve brain function. Adding cinnamon to your morning oatmeal or incorporating it into your tea can be a flavorful way to give your brain a boost. Supporting heart health. Cinnamon can play a role in maintaining a healthier heart. It has been found to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, cinnamon supports cardiovascular function by improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of blood clots. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you can take a step towards better heart health. Immune system support. Cinnamon possesses immune-boosting properties that can help strengthen your body's natural defenses. It has antimicrobial and antiviral properties, which can aid in fighting off common illnesses and infections. Consuming cinnamon regularly may provide added protection and support to your immune system. Digestive health benefits. If you're looking to improve your digestive health, cinnamon can be a valuable ally. It aids in digestion, helps reduce bloating, and improves overall gut health. Cinnamon also possesses carminative properties, which can alleviate digestive discomfort and support a healthy digestive system. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your meals or enjoying it in herbal teas can promote a more comfortable digestive experience. Natural antimicrobial effects. Cinnamon has long been recognized for its natural antimicrobial effects. Its compounds have shown efficacy against various bacteria, fungi, and viruses. These antimicrobial properties make cinnamon a valuable addition to your diet, potentially helping to fight off infections and support your body's immune response. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet. Now that you understand the many health benefits of cinnamon, it's time to explore how to incorporate it into your daily meals, snacks, and beverages. You can sprinkle cinnamon on oatmeal, yogurt, or fruit, add it to your smoothies, or even use it as a flavorful spice in savory dishes. Cinnamon can also enhance the taste of herbal teas or be added to coffee for an extra touch of warmth. Experiment with different recipes and find creative ways to enjoy the delightful flavor and health benefits of cinnamon. In conclusion, cinnamon is a magical spice that offers numerous health benefits. From boosting metabolism and regulating blood sugar to supporting heart health and enhancing brain function, cinnamon can contribute to your overall well-being. By incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine, you can take significant steps toward a healthier you within just 7 days. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. Embrace the magic of cinnamon and unlock its potential for a healthier and more vibrant life. If you got anything from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.